Canva. There. And this is your these are your designs. There are two ways to find a layout. First, if you do Control F, lalabas itong find search bar. Ita-type mo lang yung gusto mong hanapin, deserved, and this is what I needed to use. It says deserved coffee. Now, kapag wala ito, say for example, hindi siya nakaganyan, and sinearch mo dito, wala nang lalabas kasi burado na siya. But then again, pag nilagay mo siya, look here, meron na ulit, right? Masi-search niya. Pero since image ito, image yan, so hindi mo siya masi-search kapag ang ginawa mo is Control F dito sa Canva find search button. Hindi siya lalabas na, kunyari type mo deserved coffee, wala kang ma-search kasi itong name dito is hindi part ng layout. So again, kapag dito ka sa Canva nag-search, dapat is part siya ng layout. Kapag sa title or page number ka nag-search, dito siya mahahanap sa find, yan, find. Dito na search button mo siya masi-search. See, there's one. Okay. I hope na gets. Let me know kung may question.